Être, avoir, faire and aller.
In present tense.
Bonjour.
All of us experienced difficulties to get the grasp of conjugation of the first and foremost, yes, the foremost verbs when we started to learn French. Let's see if we could make it little less hard. Welcome to the video.
Être, avoir, faire and aller.
In present tense. We learn some techniques to keep these weird words stuck in our memory.
Allez-y.
We need to build a table. So, let's make it cell after cell, and row after row. Now, let's proceed to draw the cells of the first row. Let's fill up the first row with
Pronom sujet, être, avoir, faire et aller.
Now, let's draw the second row. Now, let's fill up the second row with subject pronoun, to be, to have, to do and to go. Let's draw the third row now. Alright, we will fill up the third row with
Je. Je means I.
So let's fill the remaining cells with I.
So, je in French means I, and I am talking to whom?
To whom am I talking? I am talking to you. You. So let's add you to I under, to be, immediately in front of I.
Note, both the letters U and I are vowels. Let's proceed to the next cell. The verb avoir starts with which letter? The verb avoir starts with the letter A, so we will add the letter A to I under to have, immediately in front of I. Note, both the letters A and I are vowels. Let's proceed to the cell after the next cell. That is the last cell under to go. The verb aller starts with which letter? The verb aller starts with the letter A, so we will add the letter A to I under to go, immediately in front of I. Note, both the letters A and I are vowels. Now let's go back to the cell under to do. The verb faire starts with which letter? The verb faire starts with the letter F. So, will we add the letter F to I, like we added the first letter A of the verbs avoir and aller to I under to do? Non, un grand beau non. We are loyal to the letter A, and we stick the letter A with I, immediately in front of I. Note, both the letters A and I are vowels. So now, what we have for je with the verb être is ui. Je with avoir is a. Je with faire and aller is also a. Remember to note that in ui, both u and I are vowels. In a, both a and I are vowels. Let's retain the focus in the cell under to do. What do we have there? AI. Let's add a letter immediately in front of A and a letter immediately after I. The verb faire starts with which letter? The verb faire starts with the letter F. So, we will replace underscore with the letter F. The AI contains A and I. We need to remember something important here. Normally, well, usually, but not always, two vowels are surrounded by consonants. So, by applying this rule, the letter F, a consonant, and its place, immediately in front of the vowel pair A and I, are validated and confirmed. Let's go to the underscore after AI. So far, all well, we've been on the right track, right? Yes? S? S? Let's replace the underscore with S. So, conjugaison of faire for je is fait. Voilà! Let's move right to the cell under to go, the last cell. What do we have there? A. Well, as far as the last letter goes, the very same here too. That is, let's add an S as the last letter. What do we have there? A. Well, as far as the first letter goes, is it the very same here too? Non, un grand beau non. So what's the first letter? Which letter will sit immediately in front of A? What's it? What are you watching now? You are watching an audio video, an AV. And what? An AV. A for aller and V for veille. That's it. Let's add a V as the first letter. So what do we have here? Ve. Let's validate V and S. Let's recollect the rule. Normally, well, usually, but not always, two vowels are surrounded by consonants. So, by this rule, the letter V, a consonant, and its place, immediately in front of the vowel pair A and I, are validated and confirmed. And similarly, S at the end too is validated and confirmed. So, conjugaison of aller for je is vais. Voilà! Let's move to the cell under to be, the first cell, immediately after je. What do we have there? U, I. Well, as far as the last letter goes, the very same here too. That is, let's add a S as the last letter. Now, what do we have there? U, I, S. So what's the first letter? Which letter will sit immediately in front of U in U, I, and S? What's it? What are you watching now? You are watching a super video. A what? A super video. S for super. That's it. Let's add a S as the first letter. So, conjugaison of être for je is suis. Voilà. So, conjugaison of être for je is suis. So, je suis means I am. Avoir for je is a. So, je ai, but je loses I with a to become j'ai. So, j'ai means I have, or I do have, or I'm having. Faire for je is fait. So, je fais means I do or I am doing. And aller for je is vais. So, je vais means I go or I do go or I'm going. Remember that suis for être, last letter is S, and fait for faire, vais for aller too, last letter is S. Only A of avoir for je does not have a S at the end. Also note that suis, fait and vais are 4 letters long, whereas A is only 2 letters long.
Suis, je fais, je vais.
Notez bien le S final. Mais attention, j'ai ne prend pas de S. Regardez la différence.
Suis, je fais, je vais.
Notez bien le S final. Mais attention, j'ai ne prend pas de S. Regardez la différence.
Suis, je
This
fais.
concludes the first part of this discussion. Remember to watch the second part. Au revoir, à tout à l'heure.
Être, avoir.